IPS कौशलान हालीच येरादारी पोलीस अधीक्षक पदाची सुत्रा हातीन घेतल्यात. आपल्या पहिल्याच पत्रकार परिषदेत ताणे येरादारी व्यवस्था आणि नेमांची विस्तारान माहिती दिली. नेम मोडप्यांचेर कारवाई करताना पुलीस कसलोच भेदभाव करनात. कायदो मोडप्यांचेर कारवाई करताना लोकांक कसलोच त्रास जावचो न्ही हाची पुलीस जतनाय घेतले.
Whenever any citizen of Goa or anyone who is visiting Goa as a tourist, he comes to Goa, it is the responsibility of the person who is driving to ensure his safety and also the safety of others. Therefore, one of our priorities of Goa Police is to ensure that we take action on anyone who's found to be driving their vehicles under the influence of either any alcoholic substance or any other intoxicant. And whenever we will find such instances, we will take lawful action as has been prescribed. And as part of these, as a step in this direction, we've been regularly taking action on drunken driving.
दंड दिवपी मशिनांनी कांयश्यो त्रुटी आसात, तातूंतय सुदारणा घडोवन हाडटले अशेंय ताचे म्हणणे. फकत दंडाचेर भर न दिता येरादारीची शिस्त पाळपा खातीर लोकां मदीं जागृताय करतले आनी रस्ते येरादारी खातीर कितले सुरक्षीत आसात हाचेरूय लक्ष दितले अशें कौशलान सांगले.
जो इसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, इसके अंदर 2-3 कंपोनेंट्स है इस इशू के अंदर. इसके अंदर देयर इज एन इशू ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर, देयर इज एन इशू ऑफ certain people who have forgotten to log out from their machine. So जितने भी ये सारे issues हैं, we are looking into them. We are also coordinating with NIC who have developed this software, and very soon we will come up with a solution for this.
पुलीस पर्यटकांक गरजे भायर तालाव दिवन तांकां छळटात असो आरोप खुद्द लोकप्रतिनिधीच करतात. असो प्रश्न केल्या उपरांत कौशलान सांगले की जे पर्यटक गोंयांत येतात तांणी बरो वेळ गोंयांत काडचो, ते बराबर ते सुरक्षीत आपल्या राज्यांनी परत वचचे हाची जतनाय पुलीस घेतले.
In no way the idea of the traffic police is to discourage the tourists. We would rather we want everyone who comes to Goa to have a good time, but they should also remain safe, because their family members and everyone, they have an expectation that whenever their family members are coming here, they should come back safely. So it is our responsibility also as a government department to ensure that they have a good time in Goa, but they remain safe.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.